In this video, Tone Stevens evaluates the Avante Audio Imperio Pro Mini, a line array loudspeaker system consisting of the IMP205 array loudspeaker and sub 210. Now, Tone Stevens is a pro audio veteran with lots of experience with A-list secular and Christian touring acts. He lives in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and the speaker evaluation actually took place at Tone Taylor's retail location based on the campus of Rock Lidditz, an incredible world-class production, engineering, and rehearsal facility that's home to over 30 companies serving the live event industry. PAs take all sorts of shapes and sizes, but technology is changing and high-output loudspeakers no longer have to be massive.
My name is Tone Stevens, Central Pennsylvania. Most of what I do is consulting with churches. Was on staff at Worship Center for 6 years in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. I recently had the opportunity to check out the Avante Audio Imperio Pro loudspeaker system. One of the things that stood out to me the most when I opened it up out the box was the fact that it was just really easy to set up. And it took me like less than a minute to get 2 or 3 boxes stacked on top of each other and just getting a decent little mix out of the system. It was easy.
While the IMP205 is lightweight and compact, it actually houses dual 5-inch low-mid transducers and 6 1.75-inch high-frequency drivers. So while they are small, they have the power to sound huge.
My first impressions of the Imperio Pro system from Avante Audio were like, there's no way this small little speaker is going to sound anywhere near what something that I could find usable. And once we started pushing audio through it, I was like, extremely impressed. Compared to so many other things like 5 times its size in the powered line array system, it's knocking things out the park.
Things can get quite cumbersome and even a little complicated when trying to connect a bunch of separate parts to make one array. And that's definitely something to think about when using something like this as a mobile solution.
So the Imperio is an all-in-one powered system. It's super simple. The DSP is super simple to navigate. On the back of the speaker, there's a switch that allows you to go from, it's either box number 1 or box number 8. You just go the whole way through box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's self-powered. It's just super contained and really easy to use. It's just super compact. Like, it's easy to get around. Like your average run-of-the-mill line array system, you just can't throw into a car and still get the job done as easy as I found that I could with the Imperio.
That beautiful partnering of power and portability are 2 things that really make the Imperio Pro Mini really stand out. And this is just one of many great offerings from Avante in this space.
Surprisingly, I had never heard about the Avante audio system. There's not that many, in my mind, there's not that many systems out and available. And to have something that's this easy to use and sounds this good available on the market and I not know about it, I was really surprised that I hadn't heard about them before. If you're looking for a small packing a punch PA system, the Avante Audio Imperio Pro is definitely a good go-to for you.
So a big thank you to Avante as well as Tone Stevens for taking the time and giving us your evaluation and insight on the Avante Audio Imperio Pro Mini. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the Church Production YouTube channel, as well as check out churchproduction.com on new articles and insights on everything church production. As always, I'm Marcel Patillo, and I'll see you all in the next one.